Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the 10 baht coins of Thailand 1988. So one of the expensive coins of Thailand coins 1988 that the mintage only 60,200, except the 1990 10 baht. The mintage is very little, very expensive coins in 1990 coins 10 baht, only mintage of 100. So this coins guys is only 60,200 mintage made this coins of 10 baht Thailand. Okay guys, thank you so much, and please subscribe. Thank you.